Add Coca-Cola into white vinegar, and what happens next will absolutely shock you. You've probably never seen this mixture before, but once you try it, you'll thank me for the rest of your life. It's one of those tricks that sounds too simple to be real, but the results speak for themselves. Let's begin. Grab a large bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. That's our first step. Now here comes the key ingredient, white vinegar. Add 1 full cup right into the bowl. The moment the vinegar meets the Coke, you'll see bubbles forming instantly. That reaction is exactly what we need. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, add 2 tablespoons of regular table salt. You don't need anything fancy, just your everyday salt from the kitchen. As it dissolves, it boosts the cleaning power of this mix, helping break down even the toughest buildup. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Any brand, any scent, whatever you have at home is fine. The dish soap will help loosen grease and grime while adding that satisfying foam that makes cleaning easier. Finally, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Get ready for the reaction. It'll fizz and bubble, releasing tiny bursts of power that activate every ingredient in this formula. Stir everything slowly until it's perfectly blended. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. At this point, it might look ordinary, but don't be fooled. This is one of the most powerful combinations you can make at home. It's affordable, safe, and works better than most store-bought cleaners. Now, to make it easier to use, grab an empty spray bottle. Use a funnel if you have one and carefully pour the mixture inside. Fill it up almost to the top, close the lid, and give it a gentle shake. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now for the fun part, look at this old aluminum pan. It's greasy, burned, and covered with black stains that seem impossible to remove. Most people would throw it away. But let's see what happens when we use our mixture. Spray it generously over the surface until every inch is coated. Wait just a minute or two, then grab a sponge and start scrubbing lightly. Watch closely. The grime begins to dissolve almost instantly. The dark stains start to fade, and that dull surface transforms right before your eyes. You don't even need to use much pressure. In just a few minutes, the pan looks completely different. Bright, shiny, and smooth again. You can use this same mixture on stove burners, sinks, or any metal surface that's lost its shine. It removes grease, neutralizes odors, and restores the sparkle, all with ingredients you already have at home. For heavier stains, just repeat the process once more. Once you do, you'll never look at Coca-Cola and vinegar the same way again. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment telling me where you're watching from, and share this video so more people can discover this amazing trick. You won't believe the results until you try it. Trust me, this one's a total game changer.